Yes people, welcome back to the Bike Lifers channel. The bike is all done, ready for the summer now, so stay tuned because there's plenty of videos coming your way. Sun's out today but it's proper windy, but look, as you can see, this is the finished product. KTM 790 Duke, not bad. I'm loving it, all black like this. So I'm just going to take you on a nice chill ride. I've got a H1N recorder on my back, try and get you some good footage, good audio. I bought a media mod, but absolutely shit. I can't get to grips with it. Trying the purple pounder with it, went out, just got fucking untold amount of crackling. So yeah, I'm back with the old school GoPro 10 black with the foam cover around it, and then a H1N recorder on my back. So hopefully you get good audio. I'm just going to take you on a little ride through the lanes. So enough of the talking now, because obviously it's not a mic plugged in, it's just going to be on the front, so once my visor's shut you won't hear if I call from my voice. brothers, absolutely banging, brothers. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you ain't already. That was a nice little ride through the twisties, suns out, guns out and all that. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you ain't already. Thanks for watching the video. Many different styles of videos coming soon. Bike meets, group rides, the lot. I'll see you soon. Catch you with the next one, brothers. Peace.